Now we're going to discuss example 5. Maximize and minimize z equal to 4x plus 2y subject to y less than or equal to 4, x plus y greater than or equal to 6, x less than or equal to 3y, where x positive, y positive. It is very easy to solve. First we have to take y equal to 4, equation 1. Second is x plus y equal to 6. And third is x equal to 3y. Now totally got 3 lines. Y equal to 4, x plus y equal to 6 and x equal to 3y. Now we want the points of intersection of all these 3 lines. The first one is a line which is y equal to some constant parallel to x-axis. Clearly at a distance of 4 units on y-axis you draw a line parallel. The first is over. The second is x plus y equal to 6. It is nothing but by putting y0 you will get x equal to 6. The point is a6 comma 0. By putting x0 you will get y equal to 6. The point is 0 comma 6. So this is the line x plus y equal to 6. And the third one is y equal to 3, x equal to 3y. It is a line passing through the origin whose slope is 3. Now students, you can clearly understand here these are the intersecting lines at the points E, D and C. The meaning is if you solve these 2 lines x plus y equal to 6 and x equal to 3y, by solving these 2 you will get E point is 9 by 2 comma 3 by 2. By solving x plus y equal to 6 and y equal to 4 you will get the point is D 4 comma 2 comma 4. Now the feasible reason is OEDC. So this is the part what you require. This is the shaded part we require for feasible region. Now these are the corner points at origin, at E point, at D as well as C. Now we are going to find Z of at origin 0. By putting x0, y0 in this equation, 4 into 0 plus 2 into 0, the value is 0. Z of E, 4 into, what is the E value? 9 by 2 plus 2 into 3 by 2. You cancel this, this will go 2 times. This is 18 plus 3, the value becomes 21. Z of D value is 4 into 2, 8 plus 2 into 4, 8. The value becomes 16. And the last one is at point C, Z of C I want. So 0 comma 4 you have to substitute. 4 into 0 plus 2 into 4. The value becomes 8. Now I got at each corner point the values. At origin the value is 0. At E corner point the value is 21. At D corner point the value is 16. At C point the corner value is 8. Now you want to maximize as well as minimize values. Out of all of them, where is the least value you can find? The least value you can find at origin. So 0 minimum value is 0 at origin. And what is the maximum value? Maximum I can find is 21 at E. So maximum value is 21 at the point E. That is 9 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Example 6. Maximize and minimize z equal to 3x plus 2y subject to 2x plus y less than or equal to 4, x plus y greater than or equal to 2, 2x less than or equal to y, where x, y both are positive. Students, already explained you how to write this one. First you have to write the lines as 2x plus y equal to 4, equation 1, x plus y equal to 2, equation 2, and 2x equal to y, equation 3. Now by solving 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, we get the points of intersections. Before that, First of all, we must know where this first line is going to meet the axis. By putting y0, you will get 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. So the point is a2 comma 0. By putting 2x means x0, you will get the value, another value, that is nothing but 0 comma 4. That means by putting x0, y value comes 4. So the line is a2 comma 0 and c0 comma 4, which is nothing but 2x plus y equal to 4. And another line, I want x plus y equal to 2. If you put x0, y is 2. If you put y0, x is 2. Clearly, the line is going to meet again at a2 comma 0. And B point is 0 comma 2. So I can understand that line 1, line 2 are intersecting at a point A 2 comma 0. And one more line you want 2x equal to y or x equal to 1 by 2y. It is clearly passing through the origin. This is the line which is passing through the origin. Now you want the points of intersection of third line with other two lines. By solving 1 and 3, you will get a point D, which is nothing but 1 comma 2. By solving 2 and 3, you will get a point E, 2 by 3 comma 4 by 3, which is that point. Now students, by observation we got a quadrilateral. BCDE is the required feasible area. This is our required feasible area. So this is the part you have to shade. This is the part you want to shade it. This is the total part you have to shade. This is our required feasible region. Now we want maximize as well as minimize of z 3x plus 2y. Now first I put a point as B. Z of B you want to calculate. Z of B means 3 into 0 plus 2 into 2. Value is 4. Next point is Z of E. 3 into 2 by 3 plus 2 into 4 by 3. Value. You can cancel 3 here. 2 is there. 2 plus, this is 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 plus 2, how much it comes? 14 by 3. Next, Z of D I want, D point. 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2. 3 plus 4, which is nothing but 7. And the last point is Z of C. 3 into 0 plus 2 into 4. The value is 8. Now you got all the corner points of the feasible region. At B, the value is 4. At E, the value is 14 by 3. At D, the value is 7. At C, the value is 8. Now out of all of these, what is the least value? The least value is 4. So I can get minimum value is 4 at B. And you can get maximum value is 8 at C. So it's the way of calculation of the maximization as well as minimization of the given objective function z equal to 3x plus 2 under constraints 2x plus y less than or equal to 4, x plus y greater than or equal to 2, 2x less than or equal to y.